Paint your middle, ring and pinky finger in white. At this point, your nails should look like this. Quite a fancy manicure. But don't worry, because we're just getting started. Time to take out your artistic skills and make some designs. On the ring finger, we're making a beautiful flower design. Dip your medium-sized dotting tool in black polish and make 5 dots close together like that to represent the petals. Make several of these flower shapes all over your nail. Some can be bigger, some smaller, because there's all sorts of flowers out there. I still need some smaller dots here and there to make the design fuller. Leave the polish dry and then proceed with white. Make smaller white flower shapes on top of the bigger black ones. This way you will keep that black flower silhouette, which I think looks so stunning. And it seems like the design was so difficult to make when it's in fact so easy. To complete the design, make black dots in the center of each flower. I think this design is so pretty, even as an accent nail to a solid manicure. On my right hand, I made this design on my thumb and I just switched the colors, so I have white flowers on black background and I absolutely love it. On the pinky, we're making the easy and always cute polka dots design. Make a row of dots along the center of the nail and then add 2 rows by the sides. You can go for bigger or smaller dots. I went for medium-sized ones. If you don't have a dotting tool, you can use a Q-tip or a toothpick to make this classic but lovely design. So far we made 2 black designs on the white background. But on the middle finger we're making a yin-yang, which represents balance and will connect all of the black and white designs into a story. Here's how to make a perfect yin-yang sign in an easy way. I like to mark 3 dots along the center of the nail. Now just connect these dots making an S shape using a striper, precise brush or even a toothpick. It doesn't have to be flawless right away, you can always go in later and perfect it. Then color 1/2 in black. Yin-yang represents how opposite forces are actually interdependent and give rise to each other. All we have to do now is make a black dot on the white half and white dot on the black half of the nail. Moving to our black background designs. On the pointer we're drawing white triangles all over the nail. I'm using my precise brush, which I got in a craft store for very cheap. And you guys know that I love it for nail art. The triangle lines don't have to be perfect and opaque yet, we're just making a draft first. Now we can go over all the lines again, making them bolder and neater. I love this design. The white triangles look so cool in the dark background, don't you think? This design itself could work great on all the nails or as an accent on a ring finger, for example. On the thumb, let's make some classic and classy vertical stripes. I'm not very good with the striper. That's why I decided to use a tape, which makes perfect stripe designs super easy to achieve. Stick parallel tape pieces along the nail, apply white polish and peel away the tape. Here I'm using a nail art tape, but you can make your own DIY nail art tape using usual scotch tape and scissors in a minute. My white polish was getting quite thick and gloopy, so I had to mix in a few drops of nail polish thinner. Voila! The perfect stripes in no time. Oops, I did it again. No problem, because the precise brush takes care of such small errors in a sec. And here is our last design all done. I made the same designs on my right hand,